Hello friends, in this video I want to share what needs to be put in the hole for cabbage and also what to water it with after planting so that the cabbage doesn't wilt but stands tall like a pillar, quickly takes root and starts growing a vibrant green mass of leaves. In the previous video about cabbage, I showed you this method of growing seedlings in boxes, and now I will demonstrate how convenient it is to plant seedlings from this box without harming the root system. As you can see, the new young leaves on the cabbage are green and beautiful, while these leaves are old and damaged by the frosts we had a few weeks ago. Before making the holes, I water the cabbage in the box so it can absorb water. You can also water it with some growth stimulant to activate the roots. Then we dig small holes in the garden beds. The distance between the holes should be at least 50 centimeters. Because the seedlings are small now, but when they grow, they will take up quite a large area. And into each hole I add 1 menu of dry granulated chicken manure for fertilization. First, this is a great nitrogen fertilizer that will help the seedlings grow faster and greener. It also has phosphorus and potassium, responsible for the quality of the harvest. It is essential to mix the granulated fertilizer with the soil in the hole. Then each hole needs to be watered well because cabbage is very moisture loving, and for it to take root faster, the soil must be very moist. Then I take the agrofabric that was laid in the box and extract all the seedlings. It is easy and straightforward. And as you can see, the seedlings have already begun to separate into individual plants. The root system did not become exposed, so there will be practically no stress from transplanting because the main mass of roots survived. I plant the seedling, cover it with soil, but around the plant I make a small depression to make it easier to water this seedling and prevent water from spreading across the entire garden bed, keeping it directly under the seedling. Then, for faster seedling rooting, I use a growth stimulant made from yeast. It is prepared very simply. You need to take a small container, in my case it's a half-liter cup. Fill it with warm water. The temperature should be such that you can easily hold the cup and not get burned. In this water, we add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, mix thoroughly, add an additional tablespoon of sugar, and thoroughly mix everything together as well for perfect consistency. We place the warm dark place to infuse. I make use of a greenhouse, but the container necessitates to be covered with some bucket in order to protect the yeast from sunlight. Let it infuse for 2 hours, then take this infusion, add it to 5 liters of warm water, and this will give us a concentrate. To obtain a working solution, we add 1 liter of this concentrate to 10 liters of clean warm water, and we feed each seedling with 1 liter per plant. And this stimulant is suitable not only for cabbage, but you can also feed cucumbers, peppers, eggplants, and other plants that you grow, except for tomatoes. If the info in this video was helpful, be sure to like it, don't forget to share with friends, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.